Over the period of this week, we dropped $28, and on Friday, Trump gave a speech of potential hope that sent the market up $20 within the final hour of trading. This, for one, was expected, but I am sure many of us didn't expect it so quickly. However, this is part of a continuous downtrend. We have yet to surpass a resistance, and if we do, then a reversal may be in play. But for now, we are seeing a retracement and not a reversal, which we all expected. If we look at the 30-day chart, we can easily see that there's been plenty of retracements, but all of them have followed order with the technical analysis that we have done throughout the week, and it's showing that we're going to continue to go down. However, if we do go up, then we will keep that in mind, and we will go ahead and we'll keep an eye on all the support and resistances. The reason I personally believe, in my own opinion, that this will continue to go down is because Trump had dumped over $1 trillion into the market and gave it a piece of life for a moment, and only a moment, continuing to barrel downhill right after. And also, major companies, for example, like Disney, are shutting the parks down due to the amount of people being affected, and still they're paying their employees. Meaning there's only loss, and many companies are following these steps, which can only be bad. So again, this is my opinion. You guys have all your opinions, and that's perfectly fine. I just want to give a piece of what I think is going to be happening from all of my technical analysis. This is showing a continuation of a downtrend. However, like we've seen in the past 24 days, technical analysis cannot explain what has happened, and that would only be fundamental that can really explain what's been going on. This came out of nowhere. It came as a shock to many people. Like, there is so much loss right now, it's not even funny. But right now we're following a downtrend, and if come Monday that we continue to go up, then we continue to go up. We'll have to check all the support and resistances and follow through in those orders, and hopefully we can make a retracement or a reversal all the way back up to $340. Will it take time? I'm sure it will take time. But again, guys, this is my opinion. I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Again, this is Excellent Profits, and I hope everybody has a great day.